Ninth question. 10368. 10368. Okay, it's not a perfect square, and we have to make it a perfect square. Okay, either by increasing, that is by adding something, or and by subtracting something, that is it is increasing, and here subtracting, decreasing. Okay, next by multiplying, and next by dividing. Okay, this we have to do. So for adding and subtracting, we need remainder. Okay, adding and subtracting, we need remainder, increasing or decreasing. So we'll use which method? Which method we have used? Division method. Only then we are going to. And here prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay. So by division method, what was the remainder we have got? 167. At last we got 167. Yes or no? This was the remainder. 167 was the remainder. Yes or no? We have done that one. We have done that one.
Yes, sir.
So by what number?
Yes,
By what number it must be decreased? Because we don't want the remainder. So we'll subtract the remainder from this one. And that will be the perfect square. And here we have got 101. Question we have got 101. Okay. So if we subtract 167 from this one, whatever result we have, that will be the square of 101. Yes or no? Okay. See, we are having 10368. Okay. It is greater than 101 square. Yes or no? So when we are subtracting 167 from this one, we are going to get this one, or 10201, I think. 10201. Yes or no? If we subtract 167 from this, we are going to get 10201. And it is a perfect square of 101. Yes or no? It's a square of 101. So by what number we have decreased 10368? By, we have decreased this number by 167. This is clear? We have decreased it by 167, and we have got a perfect square. So our answer will be 167. By 167, we have decreased. Now, by what number we must increase so that it becomes a perfect square? So if we are increasing, so we want to add something to this so that whatever result we have, okay, see here, Lakshya, don't react to any message there, okay? Chat box, it must be blank. Remember that one. For every student, there must be nothing in chat box, no reactions, nothing. Just pay attention to everything, okay? So what must be added to this one? So that whatever result we have, that becomes a perfect square. So we are adding something, and that will be the square of what? 102 square. Whatever, after adding something, the result must be the square, perfect square. And perfect square of what? 102 it will be? Yes or no? 101 square, next perfect is square will be the perfect square. Have you understood this one? So how much it is? 102 square. How much it is? 10404. Yes or no? We must add something to this one so that it becomes 104. And this is perfect square of 102. Understood this one? So what must we have added to this one? If we subtract 10368 from 10404, how much we have got? 146. This we are getting? Yes or no? It means if we are adding 36 to this number, if we are adding 36 to 10368, it becomes 10404, and this is a perfect square of 102. Understood this one? So what we are adding? 36. What we are adding? 36. Have you understood this one? So what must be subtracted? remainder must be subtracted. That's very easy. And the resultant will be the perfect square of 101. Clear? Okay. What must be added? We must add something to this one so that result become a perfect square. That we have to do. We have to add something to this one so that result becomes perfect square. Okay. It means whatever result we are going to get after adding, that will be the perfect square of 102. Yes or no? Next 101. Next will be 102 only. So after adding something, it must be a perfect square of 102. We can calculate the, so what we are going to, we will calculate the perfect square of, we will calculate the square of 102. And from this one, we'll subtract this number, we'll get 36. Okay. So to this number, 36 must be added to make it a perfect square. Understood this one? This is clear? Clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So subtraction is very easy. The remainder has to be subtracted. That's all. But addition, we have to take the next number, 102 square, and from this one we'll subtract, and this must be added to this one to make it a perfect square. Okay. If you want, you can write it down. This one to understanding for understanding purposes. Okay. This is clear. Okay.
Yes.
Multiplied and divided. Did everyone done? Do. Have you done that one? Okay, then factorize that one. 10368, everyone factorize. Everyone factorize 10368. How many twos you have got? Everyone factorize that one. And tell me how many twos you have got. Okay, rest are. Okay, you can factorize this one, yes or no? How many twos you are getting?
7.
7 twos. Everyone who got 7 twos, 10368. Next one will be how much? Next, how much when divided by 2? Imanshu,
81.
5184. 10368 divided by 2, 5, 1, 16, 8, 4 divided by 2 again. How much you are getting?
2592.
2592, correct. Divided by 2, 1, 2,
1296.
1296. Divided by 2, 6, 4,
Okay.
8, 648. Divided by 2, 3, 2,
324.
324. Now again 1, 6, 2, again 2, 80,
181.
81. Okay, now with 3, how much with 3?
27.
27. Again, so 3, 9,
5.
3, 3,
3.
3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into 3, into 3, 3 into 3. Make the pairs and find who is single. Okay. So what you have found? It's single. Okay. Either we make it pair or we kill it. Yes or no? Because we don't want any single one. Yes or no? Either we remove this one or we pair it. That we have to do. Okay. So by what number it must be divided to make it a perfect square? By 2. We have to remove. By 2 we divide it, and 5184 is a perfect square. Okay. Or we will multiply by 2 only. By the same number only we have to multiply 2, and it will be perfect square. Multiply by 2, that will be perfect square. So answer is 2. 2 in both the cases. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone have understood? It's very easy.
Yes, sir.
By the same number, we have to divide. We have to multiply as well by the same number always. Okay, because we have to make the pair. Either we remove the single ones, or we make them pair. Okay. Okay. 10th one. See, a 55 square you can do. 98, 38. Those all you can do. Do the 6th one. Okay. Find the 6th one. How you are going to use? Which method?
Division method.
So prime factorization or division method. Prime factorization, you may hit a rock. So best safe way is to go with division method, such numbers. If you do not know whether we are going to get a perfect root or whether it's a perfect square or not. So go with division method. Everyone start doing that one, 6th one. Something interesting you are going to get. So solve that one. Root of 64.25. So 64.25. This is our number. It's root we have to calculate. Okay, so pair them. Start pairing them. Find it out. So by what number it must be first?
8.
8 8 ja
8 into
64.
8 8 ja 64. Okay, so 8 64. Remainder 0. Yes. And here we have to put the decimal. Here forget about the decimal. Okay. Now what we have to add? What you have to add?
8.
8. How much you have got? 16.
16.
Okay. And here we have to put 25. Yes or no? Now see by what number? Okay. This digit as well we have to find. So what should be there? This multiplied by the same digit. Okay. If we take 161 into 1, that is way more than. So we have to go with 0. If 0 here, what you have to put here in quotient?
0.
0. Okay. So what we have to add now? 2 more zeros. Yes. 0 here we have put. Okay. 0, 0. Okay. 0, not 0 here. Okay. 160, 0 and here. Okay. So 2, 5 remainder we are subtracting and 0, 0. Now what should we put here? Check it. 1601 into 1, 1602 into 2. Check once.
Sir, 1.
1 only.
Sir, one only.
Okay. 1, 1601. What will be the remainder? 1601 plus 1, 1602. Okay. 9 here as well. 9 here. 14 minus 6. 8. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can we leave it here or more you want to find? 10th, 6th. Okay, more
Sir,
you
we can
find. Okay, find it more. Answer is there. Since it is not mentioned, we may leave here, no issues, but find more. Okay, next will be more 2 zeros. 2 zeros. By what it should be multiplied? Check it. So 1, 2, 3. How many digits should I leave? 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I leave 1, 2, 3, 3 digits if I leave 1, 2, 3 digits. So 16 and 89. Check it. More accurate, you can get the number. With 1, it will
Sir,
be 8.
7 ja.
Okay, 16, 7 ja. Okay, check once. 1, 6, 0, 2, 7 into 7. Check it. And don't use the calculator. Only I am allowed to use the calculator here. Okay. Check with 7.
Not
Sir,
going.
it is more.
Not going. Check with another number then 6.
Sir, it
1,
is
6, 0.
Sir,
into
not going.
60. Okay, check with not going. Okay. So here you will get 1, 1, 2, 1, 8, 9. 2, 1, 8, 9. Check with 6. 1, 6, 0. 2, 6 into 6. 9, 6. Again not going, I think. 9, 6, 1, 5, 6. Check with 5.
Sir, going. Sir, going.
Okay.
Sir, 8,
So let it go. Okay, so we let it go. 5. How much you got? 8, 0.
1, 2.
2,
1 to 5.
Okay. Subtract it.
9, sir, 5.
9, 9. 9 here. Not 5. Okay. 9, 7, 7, 5 you have got. Okay. Here we have got 5. Okay. Find one more digit. Plus 5. Okay. 1, 6, 0, 3, 0. This is it. And here, 0, 0 you add. So again check how many we can leave. 1, 2, 3, 4 I leave. 1, 2, 3, 4 I leave. Okay. Again see here. How much? 5 or 6? 97, it is around 16 into 6. How much? 96. So check for 6. 1, 6, 0, 3, 0, 6 into 6.
Sir, going.
Yes, it's going. Check it once. It will go. It will go 9, 6, 1, 8.
9, 6, 1, 8, 3, 6.
Yes, it will go. Rest we do not want to do here. Okay. You can put the number here 9, 6, 1, 8, 3, 6. Rest no need. We got. Okay. We can round it off. See here. In such questions, when nothing is being told, you can leave the answer with 2 digits. You can get more digits. That's up to you. If you're lot of time, keep calculating. Keep calculating. It may never end. Either you get the recurring one, or maybe it never ends. That will make it irrational. Understood this one? Now you can round it off. 8.016. That's the answer given in book. Understood?
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is clear. 10th question, rest of do the homework. Okay. See here, correct 2, 3 decimal places, correct 2, 3 decimal places. At the back in book, answers are given 3 to 4. So those answers you will only get. For example, correct 2, 3 decimal places, you have to calculate 4 decimal places. Then only you will get the answer that is being provided in book. Okay. Solve accordingly. Okay. So 10th one, do as work, homework. Okay. 11th one, use algebraic method to find the following. This is very easy. Algebraic method we have to find. So 52 can be written as, what were the algebraic methods? Have you studied? Okay, some algebraic method we have to discuss first. Okay, if it is given a plus b, the whole square, what will be the answer?
A square plus
A square plus
A
B square.
square plus B square.
plus 2ab. Okay. If it is given a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Minus 2AB.
Okay, these are the two algebraic methods we are going to use. Okay. So a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. And how you have got? The question is how you have got a plus b into a plus b. That's the a plus b into a plus b. Now multiply them. Okay, two ways you can do. Okay, we open the first bracket only. A into a plus b into a plus b. Okay, either you write this step, you can skip this step as well. A into a square, a square plus ab plus ba we can write as ab plus b square, or a into a square, a into b ab, b into a ba we can write ab. We have studied commutative law, ba equal to ab. Whether we multiply 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, we are going to get the same answer. Next one, b into b square. So it will be how much? A square plus b square plus ab, 2ab. Similarly, you can do this one. Okay. So you have to remember these two identities. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, first one I'll be doing, next one you will be doing. Okay. So first is 52 square. How we can write this one?
Sir, 13 into sir, 13.
Can we write like this? Yes or no? We can write it like this, 50 plus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next,
Yes,
how
sir.
we can write a square, 50 square. Okay, 50 square like this only. 2 square plus 2ab. 2 into 50 into 2. What will be the square of this one? 5 square, 25. Double zero, single zero, it becomes 100. 10 becomes plus 4 plus 2 5s are 10, 100. 100 into 2, 200. So how much it is coming? 2704. Understood?
Sir, wait a minute, don't.
Okay, have you understood? 52 square equal to 50. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check algebra if we are going to. Operation special problems functions. Okay. A plus b the whole square, a square plus b square. Have you understood these identities? Have you studied last year these identities? Have you studied these identities last year?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then we
sir.
can take. I would have cancelled it for time being since we haven't discussed them in detail. So a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So here a will be how much? At a will put 50 and b will be putting 2. Okay. At a will be putting 50 and b will be putting 2. Okay. Next one, how you are going to do 98 square? How you can write
90
90
plus 8.
or something else?
90 plus 8 square.
Why 90 plus 8? Can I write 100 minus 2? Yes or no? This is more easy. 98, 100 minus 2. Either a plus b or a minus b. Solve this one. 100 minus 2. Instead of a, put 100. Instead of b, put 2. So a square will be how much? 100 square plus 2 square minus 2ab. 2 into 100 into 2. Have you understood this one?
Yes.
So 100 square, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. Plus 4 minus 2 to the 4 into 100, 400. Okay, subtract this one. Subtract 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Minus 400 first. Then we will add 4 afterwards. Subtract it. How much you are getting? 9, 6. How much you are getting?
9600.
9600 and plus 4, 9604. Have you understood this one? We are using just the
Yes,
identity.
sir.
Okay. Okay, just tell me next one, 309, how you are going to do?
Sir,
Yes,
Sir, 300 plus 9.
300 plus 9. 300 plus 9. Okay. 495. Yes.
sir, but in board mass we use addition first and
Sir.
subtraction after addition.
Okay, no issues here. No issues here with addition and subtraction. Okay, you board mass, okay, you add first, then subtract. Okay, no issues. Yes, you can do that one. Addition, subtraction, no issues. Division, multiplication is there. Okay, division and multiplication as well, no. DOD, here there is an issue. Okay, if I do 5 into 3 divided by 3 into 2. So here first division. So you are dividing, not multiplying. Okay, but addition and subtraction, it is fine. You can add first. See here 5 plus 2 minus 3. If I am adding first 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, how much will be? 4. Okay, by subtracting first, 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, no issue with addition and subtraction. But division and multiplication, there is an issue. So always division first, then multiplication. So if you want to follow the board mass, always follow that one. No issues with that. As well, you get the same answer 10004 minus 400. Okay. Okay, 495, how you are going to write? 495.
Sir, 500 minus 5.
500 minus 5, the whole square. 96.
100
100
square minus
minus
4 square.
100
100
minus
minus
4,
4.
the whole square. 305.
300 plus 5 whole square.
300 plus 5.
305, the whole square. Okay. So this question, try at home. Okay. If you don't get it, we'll discuss in class. Okay. Have you understood the identity? These two identities you have to use. Okay. When you solve it yourself, you will become more familiar with them. Okay. Next one, read the next question. Read the next question. So today there is going to be a little bit more homework. Read the next question. How you are going to do? Okay, battery as well. Going down. Okay. Read the next question. What we have to find? Find in each case smallest perfect square divisible by the given numbers. See here, smallest perfect square we have to find, which is divisible by the following numbers. Okay, I'm taking first 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, and 5. Pay attention, I'll be telling only one question this time. Okay, the smallest perfect square we have to find. A number we have to find. A number we have to find. Okay, which is a perfect square. Perfect
Correct.
square. Okay, 1 minute. Perfect square, and it has to be smallest. It has to be smallest number. It has to be smallest number, which has to be perfect square and divisible by 2, 4, 5. Okay, so can you find the number which is divisible by 2, 4, and 5 first? Can you find the number? How to find?
20.
Sir, 20.
How we have found that 20? How we have found the 20? By see a smallest least common
LCM.
Multiple.
multiple. So we have found the multiple which is common to these three and which is smallest. Understood this one? Least common multiple means multiple of 2, 4, and 5. Okay, which is okay, it's multiple, and it has to be common to these three, and it has to be smallest as well. Okay, so least common multiple, how we used to calculate this method, you all know, for LCM, least common multiple with
Yes.
2, 1, 2, 5. Always go with basics. Okay, 2, 1, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1, 1. How much we have got? 20. This is the least number. This is the least common multiple of them all. Yes or no? Okay, we got the least common multiple. And it has to be a perfect square also. So check it whether it's a perfect square or not. How? Prime factorization method? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because we have to find a perfect square, smallest one. So by something we have to multiply that one. So 20, factorize it, 2, 10, 2, 5. 5.
5 1.
So 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, make the pairs. Whose pair we don't have? 5. So but it means we have to multiply it with by 5 to make it a perfect square. We got the smallest number, but this is not a perfect square. So smallest perfect number will be when you multiply it by 5. So it will be how much? 100. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whole question is for homework. Whole question is for homework. Okay? Okay. I discuss you 13th and 14th as well. Okay. So 14th till 14th we want to solve. So 1 or 2 minutes I'll take extra. Okay. So for example, you are having 4 flowers, 4 plants you have. Okay. You are provided 4 plants, and with a condition. Okay. With a condition that, okay, see here my battery is very low, so it can shut down anytime. I don't have the time to put the charger. Okay, it may shut down sometime, anytime. Okay, you can leave then. Okay, so I want to discuss. Okay, just listen here. Okay, in and out. Okay, you are having 4 plants. You are having 4 plants. Now you have to plant them such that number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of columns. How you can plant them? How you can plant them? Number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So one you are planting here, other here. If this is row, column is this way. You can plant like this only. Yes or no? In a
Yes.
form of a square. So you can see as well. In a row, 2. In a row, 2. In a column, 2. So number of rows, how much? How many? Row 1, row 2. Column 1, column 2. Number of rows equal to number of columns. So what you have to calculate? Square root of 4. Yes or no? Square root of 4, 2. So number of rows, 2. Number of columns, 2. Okay, if it is given in an auditorium, number of rows is equal to number of chairs. Okay, auditorium, these are the rows, and each row number of chairs are same. How many rows are there? Same number of chairs. If 3 rows are there, then in each row we are having 3 chairs. Understood? If 3 rows are there, it means in each row we are having how many chairs? 3 chairs. If 4 rows are there, in each row how many chairs? 4 chairs. It means we have to calculate the square root of 2304. 2304. Okay. So 13 and 14 try to do. We start from 13th again tomorrow. Okay. This is clear? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Till 14th try to solve, and we'll do it again tomorrow. For this, you can as well see example number 8. page number N51. So let the number of chairs in each row that way. Okay, so leave it 13 and 14 we'll do in class. Okay, steps also we have to write. Okay. So till 12 you complete. We'll start from 13 tomorrow. Okay. You have to write the steps as well. Okay then. So till 12 complete your work. Till 12 you complete your work. Okay, we end the class here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
You, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.